ThreeFold invites you to join us in building a new internet, the ThreeFold Grid, a self-healing cloud platform. The internet is transforming as the number of connected things, virtual and augmented reality applications, self-driving cars, and real-time immersive experiences explodes in number and data depth. According to Gartner research, the architecture of IT will flip upside down as data and content move from centralized cloud and data centers to the edge, pulling compute and storage with it. In a nutshell, the edge will eat the cloud. Demand for internet capacity is set to grow exponentially. According to Cisco Systems, in the next 5 years, internet traffic will increase by 4 times. The question is, can current internet infrastructure keep up? The internet right now is very centralized, and most internet capacity is generated in huge, hyperscale data centers. Unfortunately, centralized internet capacity is expensive, inefficient, and wasteful. Imagine if we treated electricity in the same way we treated internet capacity. What if consumers in Turkey had to use electricity generated across the ocean in the USA? The remote distance would mean it would be considered too expensive and inefficient. The transmission lines would be under excess strain, and losses and repairs would make the arrangement unsustainable. Internet capacity is just like electricity if it is centralized. In other words, when it is too remote from users, it becomes too expensive, wasteful, and unsustainable, both economically and ecologically. Gartner named 4 major reasons why today's cloud architecture cannot accommodate this transformation: latency, bandwidth, autonomy, and privacy and security. Network latency depends, among other factors, on the speed of light. Therefore, no matter how wide the internet pipe is, if computing capacity is physically remote from the end user, there will be a signal delay. Bandwidth continues to improve, but with the exponential explosion of data, the cost of bandwidth will constrain data and computing at the network edge. Autonomy of data processing and decision-making will be essential, because connected things constantly need to react to new information. Data produced by people, and the Internet of Things, is already raising privacy, security, and regulatory concerns. It's becoming impossible to ensure the privacy and security of that much data. To keep up with the explosion of data, a new Internet must be built, and it must be at the edge. The ThreeFold Grid is that new Internet. It is a fully decentralized, green, and neutral cloud. The ThreeFold Grid is comprised of independent mini and micro data centers and capacity arms connected into a single network by the blockchain. Decentralization solves the problem of latency, bandwidth capacity, and autonomy. Having internet capacity close to the end user reduces latency and alleviates pressure on the network. It allows data to be processed and decisions made where they need to be, right next to the sensors themselves. ThreeFold's innovative technology and blockchain solve the problem of scalable privacy and security. ThreeFold have built an open-source distributed operating system called Zero OS. It has the ability to self-heal using what we call Zero Robots. ThreeFold Grid technology uses remarkably little electricity, which obviously makes it good for the planet as well as reducing costs of operation. The best part of this is that ThreeFold technology already exists and is being deployed globally now. Join ThreeFold in creating the new Internet. There are 3 ways to participate: become a farmer, buy tokens, or invest in our core technology organization, TF Tech. Just get in touch via your preferred channel and we will guide you through the rest. We encourage you to learn more and to join ThreeFold.